very pale. My toughest, most amazing critic.
I like that color.
My beautiful wife, Emily. Hi, I'm Bradley with 2B Brewing. With me to help taste some of these homebrewed beers is my wife, Emily. Welcome. Thanks for coming on.
Didn't have a choice.
Did do. Alright, with tasting these beers, we are using these beer tasting scorecards I found from online, templateroller.com. We do have some reference sheets from craftbeer.com if we needed more flavor ideas. Both of these were bottled 2 weeks ago. I have a video of the bottling. I'll put in the link in the description below. This first beer is my attempt at a German light lager. So as you can see, it is very pale. This came at 3.5%. So while we're sampling this, a lot of, I get some fruity overtones.
It is so light.
It is a very light beer. This is, I wouldn't even call this golden or straw.
It's not
This
even
is like
pale. It's
like pale.
It's like peach.
There's not much there.
No.
It is definitely a very, very, very light beer. And it's carved. That's about it. I really don't.
I get a
get
little
lot on the taste.
maltiness at the end.
Okay. So Emily, where did you first enjoy beer? Like really enjoy it?
Well, I studied abroad in Germany, and so really I got the German beer experience. So coming back to the United States and drinking beer was very difficult.
Okay, so this one's
Needs work.
needs work. I tried doing that beer on a light lager style. I wasn't quite per style guidelines. I think I hit the supposedly the color, but that's definitely a little pale. Both of these beers are on what's called a smash, which is single malt and single hop. So very easy recipes. The brewing videos will be linked in the description below. This next one is my attempt on a Munich Alt beer. This one hit all the style guidelines. This came at 6.4%.
Ooh, that's got some color. I like that color.
Oh, that's good. I do too. It's a nice. I definitely say that's almost
That's a
amber.
good
or copper.
amber. Yeah, that's a good amber.
Yeah.
I suppose according to the beer tasting, it's probably more copper.
Yeah. Works.
That's got a nice clean finish.
It does.
That's the way I like my beer.
Yeah. I didn't brew it exactly like a lager. I used a Kolsch yeast, which is like a lager style strain, but it can take higher temperatures. Yeah, this is very good. Just a little bit of maltiness there. The hop balance just balances out the sweetness. And I really can't say there's much of a smell or anything.
Just kind of like a malty smell, like a
Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 for 2. Not bad. So have you found commercial beers you like in the United States?
I tend to like more of the microbrew style beers, so we've been experimenting a little bit with some that we found, and Breckenridge Brewery has an Avalanche beer that's a really good beer. I tend to like amber or dark lagers. The light lagers leave a little bit of flavor to be desired. Every once in a while I like a what's called a Radler, which is beer and lemonade mix. So it has that sweetness with that. Those are really good in the summertime. That's really hot. So I do enjoy my kind of fruity beers in a way with that for sure.
So, I think we know. Which of these two beers do you like better?
The Munich Alt beer.
I did too. Had more body, was more flavorful. I liked it. So would you want me to make either of these again?
I think you could make the Munich Alt beer again.
Yeah.
You could make the other one again, just try and add more flavor.
Yeah, I may have to go a little more on the malts, like add some color, so it wouldn't really be a smash or that, or I need to go a little higher in the malt color. So what is interesting is this is a Pilsner malt, and this one was a Munich malt, the exact same hops. So the hop profile is all the same, but the malts make such a big difference.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate you coming on. Let me know in the comments below, what are your favorite beers? Click subscribe to be notified of the next video. And if you enjoyed this video tasting, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Prost.